So the easiest way to do this question is to directly find the sum. We're looking for that. And we can just use the result that the sum of first n natural numbers is n times n plus 1 over 2. So if you do that, this would be 75 times 76 over 2, which is 75 times 38, which is 2850, and you'll have the answer J. Now the question is, why did they give us the first sentence? Well, they want you to come up with that sum using that result. And it's actually hard unless there is another way that I'm not seeing it. This is given to us. Now, if I add 15 to each of these numbers, I get 16, 18, sorry, not 16, 17, 18, 29. So I get the next set of 15 numbers. And you'll notice I've added 15 to each of these 15 numbers. So this sum would be 15 times 15 plus 120, which is the sum of that base piece, because I'm adding 15 to each one of these. Now, if I add 30 to those numbers, that would be 31, 32, 33, to 44 and 45. And here, I've added the 30 15 times, and then I have to add that base. Next, I go up to 60. So this is kind of what came to my mind, which is still, actually, it's more work than if you knew this result, which I think most of the strong students probably would know this. So we are up at 59, 60. So here we're adding 45, 15 times. And then finally we do the 61 to 75. So here we're adding 60 15 times plus 120. So I have to just add all of these. I have 125 times, so that's 600. And then here I have 15, and I can just first add these first. 60 and 30 is 90. That's 60, so that's 150. 15 times 15 is 225. Add a 0, and then add a 600, and you'll get the same result. Of course, this was way too much work. So I think this is what they're expecting you to know, you to do, unless there's another way to use that information and build it. This is what I see for now. So the answer is J.